in this video, we have yet another topper from CLAT 2025, that is Vristi Garg. Hello, Vristi, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good.
So, how are you feeling? AIR 67, I must say. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling is ecstatic, and the fact that it it was increased beyond my expectations is amazing.
Right, so for that, we need to give you a context that Vristi, what was your rank earlier?
It was AIR 141.
So just imagine the power, राइट कैसे नंबर्स एकदम से जो है फ्लक्चुएट अगर करते हैं तो रैंक में कितना डिफरेंस आ जाता है इज अ क्लियर कट एग्जांपल एंड स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम 144 टू AIR 67 I must say Vristi a huge very congratulations to you. How are you feeling?
Again, it's very like just the same as which I felt in during the initial result. The
Hmm.
same happiness, and even more in fact that it's increased now, and I am on my way to NLS.
Right. NLS, the dream college of every CLAT aspirant is now you're actually living your dream. So, Vristi, जैसे ही रिजल्ट आया ये वाला, what were your parents' reaction? कौन सा था कौन सबसे पहले आपको अपना ये जो न्यू रिजल्ट था उसके बारे में किसको बताया?
Ma'am, I saw it and I just first I sent it to Alok sir, our director at Prep, and I sent it in my family group. And I called my mother that, Mom, the new result is out and this is my rank.
Hmm.
And she was very happy. But my father, he was over the moon. So in the
Oh.
past 2 days, he's just dancing around.
He must. You have actually given everyone a reason to dance, and we also at Law Prep are so happy for you. So, Vristi, if you could tell us about your journey, right, from the beginning, कि you were to let you all know, Vristi was a foundation student. She is preparing for CLAT from her class 11th, right, Vristi? So, if you could tell us a bit more about your CLAT journey with Law Prep.
Ma'am, I joined right after my boards, like 2 days after my boards, I joined Law Prep. And I've been preparing ever since. I had to leave my lunch, my Sunday favorite dal bati for the monks. And for the first year, I focused on GK, which a lot of people don't, and along with other subjects. And I was scoring fine between 60s and 70s. And then from
We are
then
talking
when
about the GK sectional test, right?
over overall also GK में ज़्यादा focus था मेरा. Generally, people prefer to do it on RC and CR.
Mm-hmm.
Then, as 12th came, I started more rigorously and just continued in a flow kind of state.
All right. And did you appear for CLAT exam while you were in 11th? Was it helpful for you?
I was a scribe actually.
Sorry.
I was a scribe for someone else.
Okay, all right. So you were a scribe for someone else. So she actually went in there. For those of you who don't know, she actually went in there and she wrote the exam for the other person. But it must be a new experience. So you have to tell us about that experience too. How was it? Like what all did you explore over there?
As a scribe,
Yeah.
it was a little intimidating. I didn't expect that we will be in a room with two invigilators, only for the two of us.
Okay.
It was a little daunting because I didn't expect that at all. But then I recovered within few minutes, and then I
Mm-hmm.
again just like a mock, except you have to read each and every word of it.
Huh. Right. So it was
But
just
I
like
did
another
give.
LPT's mock for you only, right? Just the fact that there were two invigilators for you instead of one in the usual mock setting that we have at Law Prep.
I did give ALET as well in 11th, and that I scored 1041 rank.
Okay. For the first time, okay, it's nice. It's nice. And now that you took your test last time in December and post that there's been whole journey, how did you cope up with that? The whole thing of petitions and questions being correct, incorrect. How was it? How was it there?
When, in the starting, I did follow it like each and every detail, but after January, I lost it. I was like, it will be like somewhere here to here, not less than 2000, the rank, 200, the rank will do. So I was like, let it be. When the
Hmm.
final marking come, I'll see then. But my father used to keep check of everything, and I was like, let it go. पर पापा वाज लाइक मुझे देखना है।
So he must be keeping the track of all the information that was out on internet, right? क्या हो रहा है, case listing and everything. I think he must be keeping a check on all of it.
फैक्ट जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट आया था कि कौन से क्वेश्चन फाइनली करेक्टेड हुए हैं, तो ही टुक आउट माय कार्बन कॉपी एंड ही क्रॉस चेक कि इस क्वेश्चन में मैक्सिमम गेन कितना हो सकता है, इसका कितना गेन हो रहा है, क्या डिसएडवांटेज है, क्या एडवांटेज है।
Hmm. So he was the CLAT 2025 predictor tool for you, your personal predictor tool.
दैट्स व्हाट इट।
Right, right. And now, since you have achieved it, you are going to NLS Bangalore. What are the final feelings that you have, that you want to express, or you want to tell how you would motivate the future CLAT aspirants and the ones who will be taking this year test?
आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज आई वुड से इज बिलीव इन योर टीचर्स। इफ दे आर सेइंग कि तुम्हारा हो सकता है, हो जाएगा, तो तुम्हारा हो जाएगा। आई बिलीव माई टीचर्स बिलीव्ड इन मी, दे वर्कड हार्ड विद मी, दैट्स व्हाई मेरा हो पाया। वरना एंड में मैं इतना परेशान हो गई थी और मैं इतना थक गई थी कि आई टोल्ड माई मदर दैट मम्मी हो सकता है मुझे ड्रॉप लेना पड़ जाएगा। आई वॉज
Okay.
दैट स्ट्रेस्ड।
Hmm.
बट देन इट्स ऑल कि वहाँ सेंटर पे भी मुझे जो मेरे टीचर्स मिले, उन्होंने जो मुझसे बात की, उसके कारण आई कुड कीप माई काम इन द पेपर एंड डू इट।
Right, right. And see, you are here now. By June, you'll be going to your dream college. So, what's the first thing that you'll be doing once you reach your dream college?
आई विल एक्सप्लोर एंड आई विल हैव फन, क्योंकि इस 2
Right.
साल केवल पढ़ाई की।
Bilkul, bilkul. So you're on the right track, Rusti, and I wish you all the best for your future. Thank you for taking time out for us. I wish you all the best.
थैंक यू मैम।